Let us learn about atomic structure. In this topic, we could learn about what is the atom and what is the atomic structure. Atom is the smallest constitution unit of ordinary matter. It means atom is the smallest constitution of any matter which can be represented in a cell. The discovery of the atoms. Firstly, this concept is given by our Indian philosopher and scientist Maharshi Kanad. And this theory of Maharshi Kanad is known as the atomism. He says the smallest part of any substance is known as the Parmanu. It means is known as the atom. He mentioned all these things in his book of Vaisheshyak Sutra. Maharshi Kanad said the smallest part of any substance is known as the Parmanu or atom. So, let us we see that atom has mainly three constituting parts. First is known as electrons, another is proton, and third one is neutron. As we know that different theory given on the atomic structure of the atom. Niels Bohr theory, J.J. Thomson theory, and new modern theory of atomic structure of the atom, in which we find out the mainly three constitution part of an atom, in which first is the electron. We could represent it with the small e minus, and positively charged particle is known as proton. We could mention with p plus, and a single neutron with neutral charge is known as represented with n with neutral charge. And this structure is basically come on this neutron and proton come, and a part of an atom is known as the nucleus, and the electron revolves around its nucleus, just like a solar system, just like a sun revolves around sun's stay and the earth all revolve of the sun. Thus, these theories are given on atomic structure. After that, we should know the who discovered electron. Then we know electron discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson in 1897, and proton is discovered by E. Goldstein in 1911, and last neutral charge particle neutron is discovered by James Chadwick by experiment in 1930. As we earlier said that in atom, neutron and proton combination is presented in the center of atom is known as nucleus of this atom. This is the nucleus of any atom which contain the neutron and proton of any atom. The neutron has positively charged, and proton has positively charged, and neutron has neutral charge, and the same number of electron. It means electron are presented in the cell. The electron presented in the cell, and the when the atom is neutral condition, it means the number of proton is equal to number of electron. We should know how we calculate the number of electron presented in the cell. According to the Niels Bohr theory, the number of cell KLMN are presented to the surrounding of the nucleus, in which the electrons are present and they will revolve around the nucleus. According to this theory, the number of electrons presented in cell by formula 2 n to the power 2, where n is the number of cell, by which we could calculate how many electrons present in the cell. If suppose value of n is 1, then we could calculate the number of electrons presented in the cell is 2 to the power 1 to the power 2 is equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2. It means in the first cell only 2 electron would be presented, and in the second cell n is equal to 2, then number of electron presented is 2 into 2 to the power 2. It means 2 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 4 to the 8. In second cell, number of electron is presented as 8. So, this Bohr's theory states that the number of electrons are revolving around the nucleus with spin, positive and negative spin, and maintain the electronegativity and neutrality of any atom. And the last cell electron is known as the valence cell electron. This cell electron is decide what is the valency of an atom. So this is the theory of atomic structure. Thank you very much.